Hello everyone. Welcome to our class of Python for learning the basics of Python. This is a beginner level class, so if you're planning to learn Python, then you are in the right place, because in this class we will cover everything to get you started with Python. So let's take a look at what you will learn from this class. Introduction to Python, getting started and installation, basic code and drawing a shape, variables, working with string, working with numbers, input from users, building a basic calculator, creating a MATLAB game, list functions, tuples, functions, return statements, if statements and comparison, better calculator, dictionaries, while loop, building a guessing game, for loop, exponent function, 2D list and nested loops, and building a translator. After completing this class, you will be able to foundation in programming, grasp keywords or key programming concepts. Career opportunities will open doors in web development, data science, AI, and more. Automation is about streamline repetitive tasks and data analysis for utilizing libraries like pandas and numpy for analysis and visualization. This is a project-based class. So during learning, you will have class project. So what you learned, you'll be able to participate in class project and you can practice while you are learning. You will have supporting resources in this class, so it will be easier for you to learn. During learning, if you face any issue or if you have any question, then feel free to ask me. I'm always there for you to help you out. So let's start learning Python together.